Hi everyone, welcome to this quick BeReal video where I'm going to show you how to create, change and delete your BeReal emoji. Stick with me till the end and let's get this video started. Now in order to make your emoji or real emoji is what they call it on BeReal, you can tap on the discovery page right here, and beneath a BeReal you'll see an option of emoji. You can tap on this option and you can choose any emoji that you want to send. So if you want to send a like, you can tap on it and it's going to open up your front camera where you can now give any emoji that you want. So you can give a thumbs up by taking a picture like this, and then you can tap on this tick mark right here. Now once you do that, you can see that your picture now has been sent as an emoji to the other person. Now if you want to change it, you can again tap on this emoji option, and before you change it you'll need to delete it. So once you come over to this page, you can again tap on your emoji and then tap on the three dots right here and then tap on delete real emoji. Once that has been deleted, you'll have an option to create and change your real emoji or emoji on BeReal. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.